Today we'll talk about how can you change your email on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on manage account, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on more settings. We just click on more settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. So just switching to open with you here. You click here on edit account here. So then you come to next here. You come here to your email, click on add email here, and here add your email. You click here on add email, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.